Hey guys, welcome back. This is Basant here. In this video, I'm going to talk about Quickads. This is the platform with the help of AI. You can generate the ads for you. And the best part, there's also the ad library that is going to help you your ideal ads finding here. So you can find from the 10 million ads library. We have the instantly create image and video ads for all the platform for the social media. It has the B-roll and the AI voice from the 11 labs, and you can optimize your ads for the reach and growth. All this stuff in this single platform here. So right now Sumo Day is going on the Appsumo. You can get the 10% extra discount plus the 10% extra discount with the Appsumo Plus membership on all the tools or the softwares right now on the Appsumo, and this sale is only going to end within the few days, so make sure you get it here. So Quickads is back again for the Appsumo sale with the lifetime deal here, and this is one of the crazy tools for the ads with the ads library here. And in this video I'm going to give a detailed demo and the features tutorial, but first let me talk about the pricing, what plan you have to buy and which is going to give you the more value. Starting from the $69, you will get the images download limit 200, the brands you can add it to, the users you can add, video downloads, basically the every access you are going to see here, but with a limit. So what I suggest, go with at least the tier 3 plan, because here you will get the much more credits limits with every feature here. And there's also the white labeling feature available. If you want to selling out your services, you can add your custom domain, logo, color using the Quickads and sell out your ad services to the clients or the other users. So that's why I'm suggesting the tier 3 plan. So make sure within the sale is going on, you get the Quickads with the extra 10% discount. You can get it. The link will be given in the description with all the Sumo Day sale deals here. Okay, now let me give you a detailed demo and the tutorial of this platform.
I want to admit, Google and Facebook is not easy, especially if you want to run the ads for your e-commerce products or the services. And the bad part that you have to research, you have to create the designs, you have to target the audience, you have to analyze the results, and after that you have to scale. It can cost a lot of the time, efforts and the money. So what if there's the AI tool which can do all this stuff? Means you can research the ad that is performing well, you can get the idea like the ratings, how they are performing well, what are the hooks, what are the formats they are using for the scripting, what are the strengths or weakness. All these steps this is AI is going to show you in the detail, so you can use these things and create your own ad. And not only that, you can also create the ad or design the ad, no matter it's your video ad or the image ad, with the help of same this AI platform. And the best part, that is my favorite thing here, that you can add your brand with the just your website. It is going to automatically add the logos, add the all of your brand's prime color. So every time you create the design for your ad creative, these brand colors and the tone is automatically appear in your every ad. So let me talk about this AI tool and give you all the details that I'm really excited here. So this is the Quickads dashboard. If you want to check it out, you have to get its lifetime deal and sign it. Okay, so in the discover feature, I have already showed you how you can use it. In the design features, I have told you that you can start creating the designs for your social media content or the ad. For me, let me go with this one, create, or like let me go with the expert mode, so we can check out all the features. Here it will ask you to select the brand for which you want to create the ad or content. So let me add the new brand, and it will ask you to upload the logo or directly fetch from the website. So I will go with the fetch from the website, and here it is asking me to add the website name. So let me add the website name. So I'm going to add my own website, and it will be, you will be amazed what are the details it's get from straight website. Okay, so I have added the website URL. Let me click on the fetch. It will take around the 2 or 5 seconds. Okay, it is filled to details, so I think there is something not good in my site. Let me add some another website. So let me add the Swiggy. Okay, so this is the another website I am just using for the demo purpose. I don't know why. Okay, I think I am not using the right way. So let's go with this straight from the Nike.com. Okay, so let me click on the fetch and let's see all the things it is getting or not. You can see it got the logo, it got all the brand colors, it got the tone, it got the brand description. All these things it is got in this single click here straight from the website. Let me click on the create brand. Okay, so now my brand is ready. So there are some extra things I can do in the advanced setting, but I'm going to go with the default way. But you want to do it, you can do it in the my objective is this, industry is this, for this, and basically it is you are giving the command, it's AI, so better understand your objectives. Okay, so in the product description it is asking me what kind of the products you want to create the thing. So let me go with the Nike smart watch. Okay, so I don't know Nike have any smartwatch or not, I'm just giving it command. Okay, you can see the product description and click on the proceed. So now it will start generating the product details, product creatives, all these things. So it will take around the few seconds, so we have to be a little bit patient here. And boom, we got some results here. So you can see this is the smartwatch, and basically it's got the more of the shoes and the clothing ad designs here. So you can see this is the AI suggested, and it is got from the smart search from the different sites. So what we can do, we can also click here on the create picture using the Quickads AI photography. So I will select this one, and now here it is asking me the prompt detail and the background, all those stuff. So simply I am going to be more straightforward with the brand name and the your gadget or the device here, and let's click on the proceed. So I want to check its AI how cool image or the ad creative it is going to design based on my prompt I have given. And here's the results, you can check it out, and this is the fulfilling because I have just given this 2 words prompt here. If I give the more detailed description, it will create according to that. So let me click here on the back to the use product, and here I can also upload my image. Okay, so let's click on the, let's go with the smart watches, smart searches, and select this one and click on the proceed. And just selecting from the that generated image or the fetched image, we got the our full-fledged ad design with the headline, with the all the stuff here. And if I go to this ad design section, I can check out more variants that in the single click I can add in this design. For example, I like this one here, so if I select this one, all these settings, logos, or for basically the format will be applied here. Let me select this one. Okay, and this layout will be applied here. Let me select this one, and now this will be the added here. So this is the how pretty much fun using the quick ads with the single click and the different formats. We can just test out all the things. And if I want to change this text here, so I will simply click it, and after that I can just change it, add more words like that. Okay, this is the pretty much simple. Let me go to the text section, and here are some different text formats and the fonts available. Let me select this one, and now it will be added. I can drag and drop, and if I want to remove it, let me remove it. From here I can change the font, I can resize the font, all this thing. So basically it feels like more in the Canva, that within the built-in quick ads here. Okay, then this is the ad size. Suppose you want to change the ad size. Right now it's in the square format, but I want it in the like the Facebook cover format. So I will select the Facebook cover, and now boom, it is added. Let me go to the YouTube thumbnail, and now it's in the YouTube thumbnail. Let me go to the Pinterest post, and now it's in the Pinterest post. I have to make it a little bit things large here, so it can easily watchable in the eyes. Okay, so that's how it's the things you can do in the quick ads. Then there are the more options available. This is the elements, this is the layers, this is the background, this is the ads assets, this is the photos where you can use the copyright free images. Okay, so this is the design section I have showed you here. Okay, so the next thing that I want to talk about is this analyze section. So suppose your ads is running, and here you want to get the insights data, like how they are performing, all these things. So you can do it from here. All you need to just click here on the upload your ad image, and it is going to analyze all this stuff and show you. You can also connect your TikTok and the Meta account, so you can straight fetch your ads in the Quick Ads platform. Then this is the publish section. Basically it's the calendrical view. It is going to show you all of your content that you have the schedule that from the quick ads to straight published in your social media content. It will start appearing here, so you can change the formats like in the week mode, like the day mode, or the agenda, all the things. My favorite is the month mode, because here I can see all of my month's content in the easiest way. And this is the home section. Basically this is the your dashboard where every data will show up here. Then this is the brand kit that I have already talked about. This is your profile. So all these features I have showed you right now. My favorite one and my best feature I liked here is the discovery, because I got to know all the stuffs about that ad, from the running time, from the platform. And if I click here on the right corner, I got to know that that ad straight from the quick ads to that platform where it is running. Okay, so pretty much it is fun or not, let me know in the comments.
So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you enjoyed this video to hit the like button, subscribe this channel to stay updated. And again, if you want to check it out, the Quickads deal, the link will be in the description. And in my channel, I'm constantly doing lot of the reviews of these tools. So make sure you also subscribe this channel. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you.